Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you guys this new makeup kit that I got from Sephora's GH collection. I actually saw this makeup on Instagram, so I decided to DM the lady and we talked. Finally she delivered it, and yeah, so I just want to do the unboxing and I just want to use some to apply on my face. As you guys can see, I don't have any makeup right now on my face. So guys, I received this makeup 4 days ago. Like, I wanted to do the unboxing, but because, as you guys can even see, my mood, I'm not feeling that much well, but thank God now by His grace I'm getting better. I should have done the unboxing since, but I just can't wait anymore to try out this product on my face and see the magics. So guys, this is this head. Oh, I can't wait. I've already opened it, so like I wanted to repack it again, but I couldn't, so I just leave it like this. So this is everything. I will remove one by one and show you to you guys. I think I have to apply it on my face. So this is the Mary Kay banana powder. I can't wait to use this because, like, seriously guys, I've been honest with you guys, I've never used this one before in my life, so I can't wait to see the magic today. And this is the eyeshadow palette, and this is my favorite of all, even though they are so bright for me, but I think I will be using this one mostly. Yeah, and these are the brushes. I thought like I will have the fluffy powder brush inside of this package, but no way. So unless I have to buy the fluffy powder brush, you guys know what I'm talking about. And this is the 6-in-1 contour. It has this shimmer, something like that. Like, I think this, you can use it for highlighter too. Are you guys seeing it? Yeah. So guys, this is the 8-in-1 palette. It comes with, like, you guys can already see it, and let me just open it for you guys to see it well. So guys, as you can see, this is the 8-in-1 palette, and I think 3 of this color can go with my color, but I really like this one. Yeah, as you guys can see it, I really like this one. So guys, this is the foundation. I hope it works well. It's just like when they are building house, the foundation needs to be strong, and I hope this foundation works well. You can't wait. And also this, the lash. Wow, I've never fixed long lash like this, but I'll try it out today guys. Sally Queen 5D. Okay, let me just, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's the eyeliner. No, not eyeliner, lip liner. I've already opened it. This lipstick, the shade, I don't really like it, but I'll try it out. I'll try everything out for you guys today. Classic. And this is the eye pencil. Like, so this is the primer. Classic. Let me just remove it. And this ELF, I really like this product. I wish I have all of ELF products in here right now. They are so good. The setting spray. This is the mascara Note waterproof mascara. Oh. Wow, I like the brush. So guys, this is the blending sponge. I really like this cute thing here. I don't know it's for what though, but I really like it. I think when you finish doing the foundation, you have to put it in here again. So this is the lip gloss, this clear one. I really like it. I can't wait to try it on. And this is the eyeliner. I've already opened it already. Wow, very nice. And so this is the contour concealer. Let me just open it and see. I think the dark one is the contour. This one are the concealer, highlighter, concealer. Anyway, I'll try them out. Today not be today. Today be today. So this is the applicator to fix the eyelash, but honestly guys, I don't know. I've never used this one to fix eyelash. I use my hand, my finger. And also this is the glue. I've never used this one though, but I'll try it today. And blush. I've never used blush in my life, so I want to see today this makeup. And this is the person. So guys, this is the bag. I really like it. It's so cute, beautiful butterfly bag. It has a small mirror inside, and it has 2 zips. Like, even if you, I wanted to apply those makeups on my face, all those products on my face, but because of the time, so I've just decided to just end it here and do the makeup